Okay, in this video we're going to make a sorghum flat bread, and we're going to use some whole grain sorghum, some tapioca flour, a little baking powder, dash of salt, and some quality olive oil. So you're going to get 2 parts or 2 tablespoons of sorghum, and keep it pretty flat. Don't really make it heaping. Okay. Then we do 1 part tapioca. Again, keep it pretty flat. We're going to add a pinch of salt. Then we're going to get, I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in this one. You might try more or less and experiment with that. So now that you got your dry ingredients together, you go and mix those around a little bit. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. And then you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of high quality olive oil. In this case, we're using olive ranch. They grow their own and press them, and they got various flavors. It's good olive oil, real fresh. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go, and I put it about 3/4. You can experiment with this a little bit and add a little more if you like. This you mix together real well, and it should be sort of like a cookie dough texture. Maybe a little bit lighter than cookie dough, but close. Now in this situation, I'm going to cook this in a microwave. So I'm going to want to put a little olive oil on the plate. Keep it from sticking after it's been cooked. And then you can just sort of pour this onto the plate, spoon it out, whatever you need to do. Get it all out. Help it out a little bit here. And you're going to spread this out. Now you don't need to spread it out too far, because as it heats up and cooks, it'll spread out a bit on its own. So you can see it's a little bit lighter, a little more watery than a cookie dough. But that's fine for the bread. Then we take it and we put it in the microwave for 1 minute at 60 seconds. Okay, this is a pretty powerful microwave, so 60 seconds. It does real well. Aha! Here we have it. We have our bread. And it's very chewy. It's very gummy. Has a great texture. Very good flavor. So there you have it. You can have your own sorghum bread in about 2 to 3 minutes time. Now you could also try pan frying this as well. But this is great. It's got really good texture. It tears like bread, chews like bread, tastes like bread. And you don't have to spend 45 minutes cooking it. Well, there you go. Enjoy.